In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money online selling Canva templates in 2025. Research, create, sell. First, we research the niche. Head over to marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, and the Canva Marketplace and look for top-selling template types. Pay attention to bestseller badges, review counts, and how often items appear in search. This shows you real demand, not just what looks nice. Next, validate your idea with keywords. Type in phrases customers would use and note which styles dominate, how listings are priced, and what file types are offered. Are shoppers buying Instagram carousels, planners, or resume templates? Capture the common aesthetic trends and the formats people expect so you can position your product confidently. With validation done, plan your product. Decide exactly how many pages you'll include, what sizes you'll offer, such as US letter or standard social sizes, and which assets are included. That might be fonts you're permitted to use, mock-ups for presentation, and a simple instructions page so buyers know how to edit. Now create your template in Canva. Keep layouts clean and practical. Use frames and grids for easy drag and drop, and ensure all text is editable. Consistency matters, so use the brand kit and any uploaded fonts you have rights to, keeping spacing and colors uniform across pages. As you build, organize your layers. Name groups and pages clearly, and lock elements that are finished so buyers don't accidentally move them. Then design a strong cover and a set of preview images that show variety and use cases. Export a PDF or PNG preview pack so shoppers can quickly understand what they're getting. When you're ready to export, grab the editable share link set as a template link so customers can add it to their Canva account and make their own copy. Download high-resolution preview images for your listing gallery. List your product on Etsy, Gumroad, or Canva Creator, following each platform's rules. Upload your previews and include the template link as your digital delivery. Optimize your listing with a clear title, relevant tags, and a competitive price. Include usage instructions, a concise license, and a What's Included section so there's no confusion. Clarity reduces refunds and builds trust. Promote your product on social media, Pinterest, and through your email or newsletters. Share visuals, benefits, and updates to keep momentum. Finally, support and update. Respond to buyer questions, fix pain points, and iterate based on feedback. Small improvements compound into better reviews and more sales. That's it. Research, create, sell. Start today and scale up. Don't forget to subscribe for more creator income tutorials.